Hello, I'm Helen, and today I'm going to show you how to remove an unwanted wall plug.
Power tools from everyone.
To do this job, you'll need a screwdriver to fit the screw, a set of pliers or a claw hammer. If you're going to fill the hole, you'll need some filler and a filling knife or a flexible free store card. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an unwanted wall plug from the wall. They can be a bit difficult to remove if you don't know how, and you can damage the wall, but I'm going to show you a couple of very easy tricks. Method 1, pliers method. You take the screw that's wide enough to grip the plug that you want to remove, and you screw it about a quarter of the way into the plug. Wiggle it about to make sure that it is actually not just going to pull straight out again. Then you take your pliers and you grip the screw. You might need to wiggle this a bit to loosen the plug, and you pull the screw and the plug straight out the wall. Method 2 is the claw hammer method. You screw your screw about a quarter of the way into the plug, as before, and take a claw hammer. This is the claw part of a claw hammer. You insert it over the screw, and using the wall as leverage, you pull the plug and the screw out of the wall.
Power tools for every woman. Power tools for every woman.
Making good. When you've removed your unwanted wall plug, there may be a little bit of damage to the wall, but also you will have a hole in the wall. I'm going to show you how to make that look nice and smooth again. Open the filler and scoop out a little bit of filler onto the card and push the filler into the hole. Make sure you get it well in, and then scrape away the excess. And then you'll need to leave the filler to dry. It'll take about an hour or so. It will say on the back of the tub or packet. Once that's dry, you can sand it down with a piece of sandpaper and you're ready to paint. Job done.